Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how you can move image or adjust your image inside the frame in Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me take one blank canvas. Okay, so here I'm on my blank canvas. So let me take one frame, go to the elements, and I just need to search frames. So here you can see the frames. So I take one frame here. Okay, so now just upload your image here, from upload image from here, or you can search image in Canva also, like image, natural image. So we have lots of image, so I just choose this one. Okay, you need to just select that image and drag and just put inside that frame. Okay, now if you want to adjust this image inside the frame, I just give the circle border from here. Okay, so now you can see, if you want to adjust this image, or if you want to move this image inside the frame, you need to just double click on it. Now this image able to move, you can move from here. Okay, so this image 100% fit in the frame, so we can't move it, but I can rotate from here. So I will show you with another image. Okay, I just remove this. So I have this image. Okay, I just put into it. Now I need to just double click on it. Now here it is now editable. Now I can move it. Now you have to just click, hold it, and drag the image left, right, up, down. So this image I can only move by left and right. I can't move up, down, because this image perfectly fit. Okay, you can also crop this image. Okay, we can expand the image, we can't crop, because this image can't go crop bit inside the frame. Okay, if it is big like this, I can crop it like this. I can make small size and I can move like this after I can done. Okay, if you want to replace this image, if you want to replace the frame image, you need to just right click on it and just click detach image. Now image will be detached. Now you need to just select that image, delete it. Now you can put the another image like this. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.